Up next, we are doing 6-box break number 3 of 2020 Topps Chrome, Allen, and Ginter. It was by teams. Here are your teams. And let's do it. I love these. I'm not going to do the whole thing again talking about how happy and surprised I am, but I'm going to say it one more time. I'm so excited. I'm so excited that I love these cards. I did not think I would, and they are so nice. Great. The only person who ate where? I missed something.
Steak and shake there.
Oh.
Come on, Reds. You have the Cubs.
I'll say there's red right off the bat.
I kid. He means red.
Oh, yes. I got it. Correa. Refractor.
Yeah, low print run on these. Tragic.
A Booming Cities mini.
So just a reminder, the insert lots, Booming Cities, the Bugging Out, and the... which one am I forgetting?
Ooh. Baez. 6 of 25 orange. It's not red. It's an orange Baez. Yeah.
Very nice.
I think so. Even though it's Cub. I'm happy for you. Okay. Make sure you didn't want to throw it back. Guerrero Refractor. And I love the greens. They're so good looking.
What's going on here?
Torrey. I feel like that's like the iconic picture of Torrey. That or he looks like that in every picture I've ever seen.
Joe Torre.
Yeah. Suarez Refractor. Another Reds Refractor. Another Booming Cities mini. These are so nice. Ooh, Bugging Out. Leafcutter Ant. It's so shiny.
Yeah, I see Stadium Club Chrome too.
I love Stadium Club.
Cost a little more than Ginter Chrome, but at least it's 8 boxes instead of 6.
Luzardo Refractor. Goldschmidt mini. A green Johnny Bench.
Do you have the Reds? Normandy.
81 of 99.
Some nice color.
Yeah, I love the greens. Aw. Sorry, really gray. Refractor Fisk. A Safari Sights Crocodile. Finally get to see all those sideways.
Safari cards
sights,
looking
yeah.
right. Yeah. Overdue.
Kyle Lewis.
Glad to fix that. Top load that Lewis real quick.
Bugging Out Atlas Moth.
Those are huge moths. Look at your head.
Praying Mantis. Bugging Out mini.
It's you and your 16.
I know, thank you. God. A Refractor Story. Cushion. Nope. Safari Sights. Vervet Monkey.
Like she who shall not be
Ooh,
named.
Gold Dunst.
So just a reminder, those non-baseball hits will be randomed at the end as well.
42 of 50.
So anybody has a shot at that one.
We got a red, or a orange, a gold, and a green.
Green, yep.
And that one.
Let's see a red or a super here.
We've pulled a red, right?
And a red mini.
And a red mini, that's right.
It's usually, people are saying 2 low numbered per case.
Aaron, refractor. Oh, just Booming City. So it's like, why is that backwards? But it's Booming City.
Riyadh, the WWE capital of the...
Another gold. Bell for Pittsburgh. Scott Pittsburgh. Jason, 24 of 50. Gold. Bell. Looks nice. Yeah, it does. I agree, CCF. Refractor Palmer. A-Rod. Some different players in this. Forget. Maris Refractor. Little Nico Mini. Another Booming Cities Mini. Bugging Out Monarch Butterfly. Slightly doopy. The Zara Refractor. Tell us how you really feel, Brian.
We won't say who Jules got in her box.
This is pretty cool. Hey, another Emmerich. Not another Emmerich, but another one that will be randomed. 79 of 99. Emmerich Green. Carlton Refractor. A Safari Sights Safari Truck. Hi, Mark. A Giraffe Weevil Bugging Out. Bugging Out Spiny Orb Weaver. Every time now, Ryan. All because of you.
You cannot unhear it, I tell you.
True. You can't unhear it. Refractor Rodriguez. Aw, a little Gazelle. Safari Sights Gazelle. Orange.
Oh, baby.
Verdugo. Boston.
Boston.
Verdugo Orange. 5 of 25.
What's that? Mungie.
So that one had a green... Same, right? Green, orange, and gold again?
No, it
oh, just orange.
Oh, yeah, it did.
Yeah, green, orange, and gold.
Forgot to put the green over there in the to be randomed after the break pile.
Mm-hmm. Hera Refractor.
Nope, no rip cards in this run. Got a McGuire auto from this? Gosh.
Or zip cards, as we all like to pretend they would be called. Booming Cities Mini. Stargell Gold.
More Pittsburgh.
Another pirate.
Teams. No one ever wants to cheat pirates, but
47 to 50.
Getting all the hits.
Stargell. I love these. Linscomb. Refractor.
Yeah, I heard he's on the good team in this one.
Paddock. Refractor. ACA wouldn't approve.
Well, that's why he's not here. He was banned. We'll get a chance to come back next year if he can behave. January 1st, we'll send him the new quiz via email. What is the best McGuire team?
Oh, another Dobbins. Bugging out. Ladybird Beetle. That is rough.
Yeah, he's banned until he answers Cardinals. So.
Chris Refractor. So we only have one colorless, right?
Yep.
Gold so far.
We are overdue for more goodies.
Yeah, we are. Oh, there's a green. Hoskins. Phillies. Masked Social Distancer. 38 of 99. Hoskins green. Love the green and red. So Christmassy.
I don't know how you slip through the cracks there.
Bellinger Refractor. Ooh, a leopard. Every time. Safari Sights. Leopard. My charm and wit. There you go. Oh no.
I thought he was banned. How did he get back in here? Oh, he disabled his account.
Fire Ant. Bugging out.
Don't insult the devil like that.
Red Postman Butterfly. Bugging out. He's back. Votto Refractor.
He unplugged the chat and plugged it back in.
Elephant. Safari Sights Mini. Hi, Nate. Ooh, and a green. We got two green in this one then.
Two green, yep.
Keuchel. White Sox. Tim A. 65 of 99. Keuchel. Oh my goodness. ACA. I don't even know what to do with you guys. Chew. Alfaro doesn't take much anymore, ACA. I feel like everybody's just ready to go. Booming City is mini. Well, you were right about timing on Pokemon. I was wrong. Tree Hopper, Bugging Out. I definitely thought it'd be longer. You just said 45 or so, but I thought it'd be like an hour and a half. Woodruff Refractor. Apparently we kept moving. We have, haven't we, ECCF? Although Brian's here tonight, so I don't know. Jackson Refractor.
Oh, he just called your nails stickers.
No, they're not sticker. I mean, it depends on how you word it. They're nail polish, but they come in strips. Do you see how cool they are? They're Christmas lights today. I know you think they're adorbs, because they are. Booming Cities.
No, that was my job.
Yeah. Yeah, no, I could never do that. Burn. 8 of 25.
Lots
orange.
of non-baseball in this one.
3 so far, right? Emmerich, Burn, and Dunst, I think. Mm-hmm. See they were?
Yep, you got them.
Pretty much, Brian. I have the snowmen too, but I figured these would go well with chrome. You know, they're very chromey looking. Plus, they got Christmas lights, so it works. Devers, refractor. You guys can't really appreciate the lights unless I stop, but you know, that's okay. We try.
You should see when she blows her nose; they light up.
How was nail polish on strips? Let me tell you.
That's a 45-minute conversation, Chew. Be careful what you ask.
Can I go into the spiel? Let me send you a link to my store. No. It's a thing. Peacock spider bugging out. I do try to match the break product if I get the chance to. Do I have stuff on my hands? Oh, yeah, I do. There's dust. Dusties. Sorry, ACA. Uh-huh.
She could do that too, I guess.
A gazelle. Safari sights.
Ginter splinter. I can see it.
Morgan. Green. Numbered 14 of 99. Who's got Cincy? Normandy. A green Morgan. I really want to explain it to you two, but I'm not going to. I'll be good. Oh, another green right behind that one.
So much green.
Gallon. Looks like Callan. Doesn't look like a G at all. Diamondbacks Cool Breeze. Numbered 17 of 99. Gallon. They're awesome, too. They're awesome. They'd make a nice Christmas gift if you Vigio refractor for Houston. It just looks like Callan. No, I know, Chu. I'm mostly making a joke because you guys have to deal with me talking about them. Lion Cub, Safari Sights. Exactly, ACA. Bugging out Dragonfly. No, I'm totally offended. Don't come to my breaks ever again, Chu. Get out. Get out. That would be a way, wouldn't it, UCCF? Yep. Kluber, refractor. Booming Cities Mini. Always. UCCF is. He wants the power.
Tries to eliminate one per month. It's his quota.
Just for funsies. Kepler, refractor. It's for the thrill of it. Oh, Derek Gould. Booming Cities Mini. Hey, we managed to kill the chat anyway, without even talking about it. Bichette, refractor.
Nice.
Toronto, Cranky Yankee. Refractor Bichette. Not bad. Think so too? Booming Cities Mini. Oh, he's got an evil streak. He's got it in there.
We've heard it.
Bugging out Old World Swallowtail, like the time he asked me, wait, what was it?
We told you wasted your life?
I wasted. I don't remember if it was because of college or what it was. Basically just. He was real honest.
Jules cried for 3 days after that.
Something about my life being a failure. Ortiz Refractor. Trust me, he's got it. He's capable. Another Bichette, not a refractor this time. You do remember? I don't exactly remember. Something about me wasting college or something. Let's not remember it. Another green. You were thinking about it? How mean it was. Ozuna. 59 of 99. Ozuna for the Braves. Time. Probably just feeling sorry for me. That poor Jules.
She wasted her entire life going to college, getting her day job, and now she's opening cards for us.
Franco Refractor. Yeah, that was... Somehow that was worse, UCCF, just so you know. A Hippo. Safari Sites. It's good. Learn from your past mistakes. Praying Mantis bugging out. Jules doesn't deserve this. She's such a sweetheart. Bugging out Scorpion Fly. Hey, Mikey. Hosmer. Remember when Sam couldn't stand his face? What product was that from that had that terrible...
All the products.
Yeah. Well,
Sam hates Hosmer.
That one product, though, was the best picture ever. Crocodile. Safari Sites Mini. Oh my god, UCCF. It keeps you interesting, I'll say that. You seem like this nice, sweet guy, and then all of a sudden, bam! Mercado Gold. Speaking of bam, got a gold. Hey, that's Omnivore. 7 of 50. Mercado Gold.
He was here for a minute.
I didn't see him.
Yeah, he popped in for a second.
Oh. It's probably working.
He's sorting that Bowman break for the next year.
That was cracking me up. When Sam was talking about it, and he was like, oh, it's not going to take us that long to sort it. And I was like...
Oh, there he is. Yeah, Lindor Super might be in the other half. We'll see, unless it's in one of these last packs.
Hey, Donald.
Hey, Cove.
Alonzo Refractor. Hey, Cove. Is Cove the only one that looks like Mikey? It's real dark like that.
Yeah, they are. Let me see if I can change the chat settings so we can actually see some of these names.
It would be nice. Anybody who has that blue is almost impossible to read.
Let's see what this button does. It might kill the chat. I hope I
Oh
don't
my
do
god,
that.
don't do that. Booming Cities.
Let's see here. What does this do? I'll have to look at that after the break. It's messing up the screen.
Thank you. Ripken Jr. Gold. Baltimore Legion. 5 of 50. Cal Ripken Gold. It's a nice one.
That could be in here too, UCF. Orange Ripken, yeah. Any reds yet? I don't think so. No, there was. There was a bench.
Marte Refractor.
Oh, and a Morgan. Multiple. What am I
Yeah, I
talking
thought
about?
so.
Multiple reds.
I remember there being.
Nor am I blabbering.
I'm trying. Ooh, Orange Ripken. Yeah, I agree. That would be nice. Ugh, ACA. Stop bringing up bad things. Also, not in a sorority. Although I did consider it my sophomore year. Was my sophomore year I considered it? I think so.
I think so. There we go, Cove. That's popping now.
Mondesi Refractor. Thank you. Yeah, I can read it much better.
Yeah, the so-called corporate chat has a dark blue background, so anything that's blue on blue shows up as nothing.
As long as there's only one of you, I'll know it's Mikey. But when there's two of you, I get confused. Booming Cities, and you don't want me to confuse you with Mikey. Trust me. Be a bad move. Bugging out. Red Postman Butterfly. Much better Cove. Conforto Refractor. Exactly. Man, I was really hoping we'd see a super. Oh, red.
Oh, here we go. Who is it?
Who is it?
Deep breath.
Ooh. Dodgers. Tim A. Numbered 1 of 5. Jackie Robinson. Looks nice, the blue and red. Jackie Robinson. It is beautiful. Rip it. Looks really nice. I like that, Tim. Betts Refractor. Safari Sights Zebra Mini. Bugging Out Ladybird Beetle. Doing multiple packs things. Oh yeah, I forgot UFC's tonight. Bugging Out Hercules Beetle. We haven't watched that in so long. Because we used to go out and watch it.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, that was kind of our night out.
It was a fun thing.
UFC.
DS Refractor.
My DraftKings to watch. Usually got into it at the bar too.
Lion Safari Sights. And a green Ozzy Albies. Finish the break. Atlanta Braves. 65 of 99. Albies. So much dust in this.
Radio DJing.
Wait, what's
I
happening?
haven't heard that one yet. UCCF was a radio DJ.
No, I had no idea. I know. Was that you're like a thing out of Pitch Perfect? You're also in your acapella group, right?
All right, 3 of these to random along with the 3 sets.
Oh, high school.
So we will blue box this. So number 8, let's do it the other way with the orange. So number 8 will get Burn.
That goes here.
7 will be Dunst. 6 for Emmerich. 5 will be the Bugging Out lot.
It's a lot of cards.
4 will get Booming Cities. And 3, Safari Sights.
Leopard is in there. So it's super exciting.
So 6 bonuses here.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Right? Or are you doing 1, 2?
No, 8,
So 8,
8
yeah.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
Okay.
All right, here we go.
Good luck.
So number 3, JMBB with the Mets. 4, Tim A with the Braves. Just jump. Hit Yankees twice. That's why we have the audit at the bottom in case the graphic jumps. So looking at the bottom down here, Blue Jays is 8, Cranky Yankee. 7 is Colorado Rockies. 6 and 5 is both Yankees. 4 Braves, and 3 would be the Mets.
Want to go through it and write them down?
Yep, give me
Okay.
1 second here. Write these on the extra. Alright, starting at the back. So, Cranky Yankee.
Burn orange.
Okay. Then the Colorado Rockies.
Gold Dunst.
Hold on, I gotta find it. There you go, Mikey. Okay, then Yankees got back to back. So Tim A.
Green Emmerich. And the Bugging Out.
that one. There we go. All right, then the Braves
Booming
with Booming
Cities.
Cities. And finally, Safari Sights go to the Mets. Cool.
Guess I could have put my camera up. Oh no, we have to do no. We don't need to. Yeah.
I don't know what Jules is doing.
I don't know. I feel like not doing hit recaps apparently today. Try to avoid the first one too. Okay. All right. So hit recap for six packs break number 3. We had a red Jackie Robinson, numbered 1 of 5. Oranges to 25, Verdugo, Baez, and Byrne. Golds to 50. We have Ripken Jr., Mercado, Stargell, Bell, and Dunst. And greens to 99, Albies. It's so hard to show these. Ozuna, Gallen, Bench, Morgan, Keuchel, Hoskins, and Emmerich.